Yo, Kemei Saber II knockoff. Man, you put that Echo blade off that Saber II in this thing, and it be smacking. Woo! We finna get into this review.
I don't wanna expose it, can't let them talk me down, I can't let them control me, I just gotta stay focused, and then just fucking show them that I'm that fucking nigga, and that I'm fucking blowing, I gotta do it my way, can't think about what they say, they just gon' keep talking down, they try to get in my way, they try to get in my place, I think it is safe to say, that they can never beat me, cause they ain't moving.
YouTube, it's your boy, Jason Barber and Educator, back at you with another clipper review. Today, y'all, we got Kemei. Once again, it's your Kemei. This is one of their new drops right here. It is called the Kemei, the new KM-90-4. KM-90-4. And as y'all can see in the video, they had some very nice packaging going on with this clipper this time around. They even give it a little nice all bottle there. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 guards. Let's see. It comes with 8 guards, and it comes with a Kemei brush and a USB-C charging with no block, just a cord. However, it does come with a charging dock, and it's a nice little charging dock too. It's nice. And it's USB-C. So you gotta find your block. Charging block takes the USB-C. And also the clipper takes a USB-C. So if you just got a USB-C, if you might have your phone plugged up here, you can just plug your clip to your thing, place you plug your phone. You might not even have to use your dock. If you want your dock, nice dock, got the rubber feet on there for it won't be sliding on you. Nice fit, sturdy, nice. Now, this clipper costs about $53, and on Amazon, because you got your Kemei DLC blade. This is more of a vapor blade type. You got the click lever. This clipper is designed to be more of a imitation version of the new Style Craft Saber II clipper. Style Craft clipper. This pops off just like it does in the Style Craft Saber II. Click lever, 5 throws on it. Not too quiet, not too loud, but it got a nice buzz to it, so it's a little louder than some. It has the energy display on there that you know how much battery life you got left on it. And it has the little brushless motor deal. Simple right there, like the Sabers have on it. And so I did a few hits with this clipper. Went through some bulk with it. It struggled a little bit in bulk, but for the most part did okay. For a $53 clipper, fades good. I'm trying to have a con for this clipper. It was you definitely got to tighten that lever up right here because it was just way too loose out the box. You can zero gap. I don't really like to use the word zero gap, as y'all know. I got my own term that I coined back in 2021 in one of my videos. I call it close gap, where you get these close as possible to where it's not cutting and irritating customers, these two blades. And so I got it close gap to take that bottom line out. pretty much I've compared it. It does not perform as well as the Saber II. It got its drawbacks as far as the performance. And so what I did notice though that it does give you about $50. You get your money's worth. $53, you can get your money's worth out of this clipper. It ain't much I can say about this clipper other than it gives you money worth. If you can't afford the $100 or $200 clippers, you definitely can start with this. I noticed that sometimes it'll give it like you have to like, it'll kind of stall on you. Not the engine, but the blade. You have to kind of click it like this and get it back cut and smooth again. It'll kind of like get stuck and pull, and you have to do like that. But that's like here, there, in between, here and there in between. Again, a lever. Make sure you tighten it up. Like I said, going through bulk, it's not as powerful as the Saber II. They did get looking almost just like the Saber II though. These knockoff companies are pretty good at imitation. Kemei is doing pretty good for them to, be a knockoff clipper company. I think they're trying not to be a knockoff clipper company anymore. They're trying to actually compete for the price. They give you a value for the price they charge. They definitely do that. And they really getting good at, they're stepping their game up on the packaging. We really can't really complain at all about the packaging. They really stepped their game up with this packaging. So we gotta give them. And then I don't know who this guy is. I meant to look him up. Recommended by Mr. Tony, American Design. So I'll have to really look them up. So anyway, you got 11,500 RPM. One thing I did notice, this is really good for like shaping the beards and carving the shape of the beards and getting those straight wild hairs and stuff. And also on top of her, when you're going and you're shaping and getting wild hairs, it's really got nice precision with that. I did notice that. Got the DLC braid. Charge time is 2 hours, and it has operating time 150 minutes. So you get 2.5 hours of operating time on a 2-hour charge. Professional blade, dual use for hair cutting and shaving. 20,000 mAh lithium battery. So for all y'all that the gift box for men, delicate appearance, full of aura. Okay, Kenny. So any of y'all that I'll show y'all as y'all can see I cutting hair with in the video. But other than that, it's cool little clipper. It don't match up to the $300 Saber II, but for $53 it does give you your value. Clippers and got so expensive nowadays. You gotta look for the value. You gotta try to find something that's not as expensive, but actually do the performance that you need. We don't really need, if you got a clipper that's $110, and then over here you got the Saber II for $280, $290. You don't really, if you don't need that level of performance to do what you do every day, then you can buy a $110 clipper. Or some people don't need this is a decent home clipper. You can get everything. If you're gonna cutting one head a week or 2 heads a week, family member or something, you should have no problem with getting this clipper. You can rock out with this. You shouldn't have to go spend $200-300 for a clipper. So with that being said, for the price, I do recommend this, but it's definitely not a replacement for our $200 clippers and our $300 clippers. So I'm gonna keep my eye on Kemei because I'm still impressed with their little trimmer they got that we've been having out for a while. That thing still be smacking, you know. So they definitely can't count Kemei out. So until next time, that's the clipper review for the Kemei KM-90-4. See you on the next
fucking nigga, and then I'm fucking blowing.
Daydream made it so it's major, huh?
Why BC trees better? My heart is so broken, I don't wanna expose it. Can't let them talk me down, I can't let them control me. I just gotta stay focused and then just fucking show them that I'm that fucking nigga and that I'm fucking blowing. I gotta do it my way, can't think about what they say. They just gon' keep talking down and try to get in my way. They tryna get in my place. I think it is safe to say that they can never be me, cause they ain't moving my way. They think it's fucking easy, they wouldn't even believe it. With all the long nights and the shit we achieving, but when nobody see it, think it ain't got no meaning. But I just keep going, cause I fucking believe it. I'm on this long road, I'm trying to get to wealth, and I ain't had no help. I did it by myself, my feelings on the shelf, cause I don't fucking need them. And if they in my way, then I'm gon' fucking bleed them. My heart is so broken, I don't wanna expose it. Can't let them talk me down, I can't let them control me. I just gotta stay focused and then just fucking show them that I'm that fucking nigga and that I'm fucking blowing.
Daydream made it so it's major, huh?
Why BC trees better? My heart is so broken, I don't wanna expose it. Can't let them talk me down, I can't let them control me. I just gotta stay focused and then just fucking show them that I'm that fucking nigga and that I'm fucking blowing. I gotta do it my way, can't think about what they say. They just gon' keep talking down and try to get in my way. They tryna get in my place. I think it is safe to say that they can never be me, cause they ain't moving my way. They think it's fucking easy, they wouldn't even believe it. With all the long nights and the shit we